Hello everyone, welcome to 8.3, Connect Fractions to Division. The essential question is, how does a fraction represent division? So here are the steps. Use SOR, same opposite reciprocal. Remember, division is just multiplying the fraction by a reciprocal. So don't freak out if you see a division problem. And the third step, which I showed you in the previous video, is that you can draw a diagram if it helps you visualize the equation better. So I'm not going to be drawing a diagram in this video, but if you need to go back to the previous one to see how to draw diagrams, please feel free to do so. So make sure you write those steps down and also write the two examples. Here's example 1, if you want to pause and write that. Make sure you have space. Here's example 2, if you want to pause and write that one. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with example 1. 6 students share 8 apples equally. How many apples does each student get? So you see the numbers that they're giving us is 6 students and there's 8 apples. And since they're sharing it, they're going to be dividing it. Okay, they're going to be dividing it evenly. It says equally, which is the same as evenly. So you're going to have to do 6 divided by 8. Okay? So I would recommend doing SOR, same opposite reciprocal. 6 stays the same. Excuse me. 6 stays the same. The opposite of division is multiplication. And the reciprocal of 8 is going to be 1 over 8. So usually they give you a fraction, and you know that the reciprocal is a whole number. Well, this time the whole number turns into a fraction. And now we just multiply. 6 is the same as 6 over 1, so I'm just going to multiply 6 times 1, which is 6. 1 times 8, which is 8. And if you wanted to simplify, you know that you can take a 2 out of both 6 and 8, which makes it 3 over 4. Okay? So 3 over 4 or 6 over 8 would be your answer. Alright? Remember, I kept 6 the same. I found the opposite of division, which is multiplication, and the reciprocal of 8, which is 1 over 8. Then I just multiplied, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Alright, let's do one final example. This should be a pretty short video. Okay, example number 2. 10 boys share 7 cereal bars equally. What fraction of a cereal bar does each boy get? So we know that there's 10 boys, and there's 7 cereal bars that they need to share equally. So it's going to be 10 divided by 7. Because you have 7 cereal bars that are going to split into 10 different people. So you know it's going to be a fraction, because not every kid is going to get a whole cereal bar. Because there's more people than there are cereal bars. So let's SOR. 10 stays the same. It's going to be 10. Opposite of division is multiplication. And the reciprocal of 7 is 1 over 7. Now please remember, I want you to write SOR above each equation, and I want you to line it up just how I've done it. So 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Okay, so we're going to have 10 over 1 times 1 over 7. 10 times 1 is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. 10 over 7 is your final answer. If you wanted to make it into a mixed number, you could say, okay, I know that 7 goes into 10 one time. Okay, 7 times 1 is 7. If you subtract that from 10, you get 3 left over, and the denominator stays the same. So 1 and 3 over 7 can be your answer. Uh-oh, something's going on here. So 1 and 3 over 7 can be your answer, or 10 over 7. Okay, looks like I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties, but 10 over 7 or 1 and 3 over 7 are your final answers. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.